Meanwhile, Kenya's pensions industry has received an additional avenue to foster long-term investments, especially in infrastructure. This is through the launch of the Kenya Pension Funds Investment Consortium, KEPFIC. Alex Mwangi witnessed the launch and compiled this report.
Between December last year and June this year, the pensions industry in Kenya grew from 1.21 trillion shillings to 1.32 trillion shillings, defying the COVID-19 pandemic. Finding suitable investment options to sufficiently absorb Kenyans' savings is an uphill task that has been facing the industry, which the Kenya Pension Funds Investment Consortium, KEPFIC, which has just been launched, is poised to address.
And so what I want to encourage the pension industry is to smell the coffee. Because as we have been engaging with investors in the public-private partner space, what we've realized is that a lot of the money, in fact, almost over 95% of the funding is obtained from outside Kenya. And yet, we have got over 1,300 pension schemes in the country.
The Kenya Pension Funds Investment Consortium, KEPFIC, has a glaring similarity to the Kenya Mortgage Refinance Company on one aspect, that of providing a safe haven for long-term investments.
One of the key reasons for KEPFIC is to collaborate on making long-term investments, of which infrastructure is one. Right? There are several other things that we can look at. And where we are coming from is that currently as pension funds, we have very little to invest in, and predominantly just the two asset classes, equities and fixed income, within which there is very limited diversification.
Currently, the law allows for up to 10% of a pension fund's portfolio to be channeled towards infrastructure. KEPFIC is targeting to have amassed at least $250 million within the next 5 years.
If you take 10% of 1.3 trillion, that's 130 billion, which is $1.3 billion. So there's still room between the 250 that we are targeting and the 1.3 that we have allowed as the regulator.
Private investment in infrastructure projects contributes to better governance as a result of greater participation in project selection, stakeholder engagement, and management of the asset.
KEPFIC, which was conceptualized 2 years ago, has 15 pension schemes on its platform currently. The consortium is supported by the US government through USAID's Kenya Investment Mechanism, Power Africa, the World Bank Group, and MEDA advisors.